Sidhu Sahab, I can't tell you how touched we are by your kindness. We are very, very grateful, all of us, Montez, for your reception. Also, that you are supportive of us in trying to bring cricket back to Pakistan.
The PSL final could not have been held in Lahore. And your one statement put spine in our backs. It motivated me to motivate the franchises and to motivate the foreign players. And I dare say it motivated the government of Pakistan.
And this team has brought that smile and happiness to all of Pakistan. Keep working hard, stay the course, and I'm sure with your determination, your hard work, sky is the limit. Keep bringing good name to Pakistan. Winning and losing is not important. The important thing is when you go out there, do your best, try your best, and be a good sport, a good ambassador of the country.